think rock stars are special people?
Music is divine, but also sacrificial. I want it to sound far from everything. Like everything's upside down.
I'll seek you out, lay you alive. One more word and you won't survive.
Do you think artists are always on display?
I'm just saying, it sounds like somebody putting a gun to your head and telling you to be happy.
We got you the nicest recording studio in Los Angeles.
I didn't ask for it,
I know
man.
you didn't, but we got it for you anyway. You're not doing your job.
I can't watch him every minute.
I don't get why I'm like this. Maybe you can act more like an employee so I'm not late, cool?
God, I hate you!
You're fired!
Your pain